How to translate a page on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to translate a page on Google Chrome mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then let's translate this page. And now just click these 3 points here in the top corner and click this one, translate. And as you see, the page has been translated. This is the normal one, and as you see, that's how to translate a page on Google Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.